Hey, good day, it's Michelle here, and in this video I'm going to explain what I personally do before my workouts. So I get asked all the time, what do I do to prepare myself for workouts? So I figured I would do a video and walk you all through it. So the good news is that it's actually a lot less complicated than you might think. But before I go into all the details, if you don't already know me, my name is Michelle Vaughn, and I'm the creator of the Permanent Wellness Fix. I help busy executive women who have yo-yo dieted to finally get their bodies back and to live the life they deserve. I actually just published a brand new ebook that goes into depth about this topic, and it's called The Ultimate Pre-Workout Guide. If you would like a copy, then just click on the link below, and I'm happy to send it off to you. Let's get started with the top question I get asked all the time. What do I eat before I work out? Well, pre-workout nutrition is really important. So I always try to get in a mix of protein, carbohydrates, so that my go-to about 2 hours before my workout is a bowl of oatmeal with fresh blueberries or raspberries. Or if I'm in a pinch, I have a banana, a piece of toast with almond butter, low sugar yogurt with fresh fruit, or a small smoothie. Another super important part of my pre-workout routine that too many people skip is my warm-up. So I treat my warm-up as part of my workout because it actually is. And it warms up my muscles, my tendons, my joints, my ligaments, so they're ready to work. I also get my brain going because it helps me to focus on what I'm doing. And I don't rush through it to get it over with. I always start out rolling out my muscles on a foam roller. I love this because it makes such a difference in my range of motion. I never miss it. Then I go into a dynamic warm-up, which is jogging, knee lifts, butt kicks, side shuffle, walking lunges, Frankensteins, modified plank, mini push-ups, and some side lunges. And that's usually what I do for my dynamic warm-up. But there's something else that I'm constantly working on outside of my workout so that I can get even better results from my sessions. As luck would have it, it also improves the quality of my day-to-day life. And that's my lifestyle habits. As one example, I do my very best to get quality sleep to recover faster from my workouts, as well as everyday stress. Not only does it help me recover, but it also prepares me for the challenges of a new day, including my next workout. Plus, you have heard that old saying, you are what you eat. Well, that's spot on, because I try to get the most of my body's fuel throughout the day, not just before my workout, but from whole, healthy, organic foods, and less from inflammation boosting processed foods with added sugar. It's kind of like an upward spiral instead of downward spiral, because if you're consistent, our workouts will help us sleep better. They also make it more likely that we're going to eat healthier foods. So I hope that my pre-workout routine helps you get even more out of yours. If you're looking for a proven way that works for your current fitness level, your interests, your schedule, and your needs, be sure to check out my online coaching program called the Permanent Wellness Fix. You can learn more about it by clicking on the link below. Have a great day. Until the next episode, go rock your world.